Hi children, all of you welcome to 7th class, and already we discussed in the introduction about the 7th class, and as we discussed we are going to deal with first geography. So in the geography first chapter we are having that our environment. So what do we mean of the environment? We heard the word of environment many times. So environment, if we call about a house environment, if you want to talk about a house environment, which what we can call beside neighbor houses and the compound wall of our house and the park of our house, we can call that is our house environment. We want to talk about world environment. So what we can call that? So about the world environment, the term is environment means that surroundings and living conditions of all living beings on the earth. Surroundings and the living conditions of all living beings on the earth, that we can call as a environment. So this environment is classified into two parts. So this, what are the two parts? One is the natural and another one is the human. Natural environment, human environment. If you want to see this about the natural environment, so by the word only we are going to know this. It comes naturally. Okay, it comes naturally. The natural environment comprising of all living and non-living things. In the natural environment, it comprising of all living, non-living things will be there. Okay, and also human beings there, and the interaction, interrelation with other living beings or things. This is all called the natural. So which are all came naturally, which occurred naturally. Okay, being living beings, non-living beings. Okay, living things, non-living things. These are all occurred naturally. This we are all calling as the natural environment. So this natural environment we can call as a what is biotic, abiotic. This natural environment we may call as biotic, abiotic. Biotic, abiotic. This may call as biotic, abiotic. Biotic means which are having all living beings. Okay, example of that: animals, plants, human beings, microorganisms. These are all come naturally. This is taking place in the biotic. So means which are all are having life. Which are all having life. It tells about biotic. If we go about the abiotic, which are having not life, non-living things like the water, land, air are not having life. That's why we can call abiotic. Okay, this natural environment may call as biotic, abiotic. Biotic means which are having life, abiotic which are not having life. Biotic example is the trees, animals, plants. These are all okay. And next abiotic is we can call the water, land, air. We can call. So this is about the natural environment. If you want to see about other, so in this natural environment, this biotic, abiotic together form biosphere, and also these are all what we can call as the biotic environments, abiotic environments together, and are all called the domains or realms of the earth. Biotic, abiotic together, they will form what domains or realms of the earth. So what are the domains, realms of the earth? We can see now. Okay, so these domains of the earth. So in the domains of the earth, the first one we can see the lithosphere. First one is we can call lithosphere. So this lithosphere. So second one after lithosphere we can see the next one is hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. These are all together we can call domains or realms of the earth. So first we are going to discuss about the lithosphere. So this lithosphere is a solid outermost layer of the earth is called lithosphere. Solid outermost layer. Example, if it is the earth, So the solid outermost layer, so this is that being solid, and also it is the rock part. This total solid outermost layer we can call as the lithosphere. This is consisting rock part, and also minerals also consisting in this. Understand? Also minerals. So it is being depth up to the 100 kilometers. What? This lithosphere being depth up to 100 kilometers. And also this is being uneven. Somewhere it will be hills, somewhere it will like a plateau, somewhere it is like a plains, uneven. Okay. So this is comprising of all minerals and all the rock part in this. Okay. So it is being depth up to the 100 kilometers, but the up to 35 kilometers, the topmost layer of the earth we can call crust. What is that? Crust. So in this total earth we can call the three elements are there. The crust, mantle, core will be there. Okay, the inner part of the earth we can call first core, mantle, crust. But the crust will be up to 35 kilometers. But total lithosphere is being up to the 100 kilometers, but up to 35 kilometers we can call as a crust. Okay, so this is about the lithosphere is being uneven. Somewhere it is a hill, somewhere it is plateau, somewhere it is plains. Okay, so this lithosphere is how important for us, for human beings. So it is very important. Without this, so this is useful more for us. In what way it is useful more for us? We can see here the lithosphere is a great importance to us, as it is provides for forest and also grassland, soil, and grow crops. Grasslands are giving, and the soil is there for growing crops, and also giving forest for us, and also animals, and also many minerals are there in this, and we also get many useful minerals like coal and natural gases and oil are there. So these are all we are getting by the lithosphere. Okay, this is very important for us. So up to now we learn about the lithosphere. Next we are going to see about the hydrosphere. So what is the special of hydrosphere? What we can call as the hydrosphere? We can see here the earth is called a blue planet. Why we are calling earth is called blue planet? So because of the water bodies are present on the earth. So that water bodies are present in the form of gas, liquid, and next solid, liquid, gas. So these are all together. So in the form of river and lake and glaciers. Somewhere it will be gas, like what is that? So we can call that a glacier.